Okay, how y'all doing today, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? We building a new base today. We just giving you a quick overview how it's gonna go down. We got our sand and debris area over there. We got our big massive bulldozer. We got a truck ready to bring out the equipment. We got a front end loader. We got the dump truck over there. We even got some more loaders over there. Give you a quick overview of the little shop there. That's the hard working shop back there. As you look down yonder there, we got another little part that we adding on. We just still playing around right here, see what fit and what don't. Try it out and let's give it a shot. Now we got the Fast and Furious boys sitting there ready to get into something. We got the military boys back there with the dirt divers. Then we got the big boys over there. Then we got the handyman. He always doing something over there. So, a little bit later on down there, we're going to make sure we have everything surfaced so everything can move around and get down through this little town there. You know, let you see what's really going on. Boys ready for action there, baby. Gotta watch for them over there. What them boys going with that boat? Well, now we look back down yonder. As you see, they got the little surface going down there, and them boys gonna come back down here, get some of this equipment here, and bring it over to the new staging yard. Let's go, boys.